Haka Blei bak kejing penkut ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival mentau Snem ada perai Haka Sngi Blei kata kakak kena terik unai wing nak kelang umutirang bak sembut dengan jelak bak Preston Tensong. Ulak keluar balesi Haka Snem ke Banwan nak kelang jaga sarkar kan pek bah bak kejing Pynlong jaga Cherry Blossom Festival dan kejing Stang bak kejing penkut jaga kenam hap show Haka Sngi Blei. Henry ya mentau Snem ubak Preston ulang bak amlak Blei isu Haka sarkar kala batha ia kena penyak jaga Cherry Blossom Festival makin Pynlong nak hadir jaga lai beji kebomot hadir malawai ke Jingsngew. Ubah Preston ula angru baka sukar ka Sngewthuh ia ka Jingsngew jong ki babun ki pat ba haba Pynlong kita masa Haka Sngi Blei buram ru ula ang baka sukar ka nyu buram ya ka Jingsngew ku jong ki ndai ukhot ya ki benya trelang na kam ta ka ji bet ji nanti jong kan ka Tamasa ka bala bu wan Pynlong mata Snem.
If you talk about Sunday or Saturday or Friday, see sometimes it happen. The last day sometimes it happened that it ended on Sunday, or maybe the starting it happened Sunday or Saturday or Friday. Well, let me just assure the people of the state, this is not that we really wanted to do it in during Sunday, but because this is the program of 3-4 days, so it ended. It so happened that it ended Sunday. What we decided is we have already instructed even those organizers for this time, since it is ended on Sunday, let the function start maybe after 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Sunday. Let it start by the after 3 o'clock after the church service and all. Then let again the program be started, and I would request everybody, let us be cool, calm, okay? Let us be cool, calm, and then we will see maybe from next year onwards to calculate the date accordingly, so that everybody they are happy, everybody are also benefited out of this festival. I would like to say that this is the sentimental step, okay? Because it's so sentimental. People, I think you understand well. Here it is known as a Christian state. Some of our honorable, be it church leaders or even the members of the NGOs, they have that sentiment. Okay, they have that sentiment. I appreciate that sentiment, no doubt about it. From the government's side, I don't say that it's wrong. It is right. But for this festival, which is going to happen next month, I've already told you, for the ending part, to adjust accordingly, we have decided, we have already asked the organizers to start the function only after the church service happened to everybody.